Alright, for those people that's complaining about a whistling sound, this one here is a 20 Highlander. When you're driving the highway speed, you hear a whistling sound. What I did to eliminate or to figure out which one it is, I took the mirror off first. I taped over the mirror cover with some masking tape. Test drove it, I don't hear the whistling sound. If you still hear a noise, keep that on and narrow it down. Put tape over here along the window seal, along here. Do one little step at a time until you eliminate. That's how you can figure out where your whistling sound is coming from.